Okay, Mr. Atik,
Yes,
uh, tell me about yourself.
yes. So as you know, my name is Atik Raza, and I have total experience of more than 3 years in IT industry. And my recent company is Provana India Private Limited, and I was working there as a system administrator. So, and I have completed my BTech graduation in 2019 from JNTU Hyderabad, and I have completed my intermediate from Bihar Board Patna in 2012, and I did my schooling from Bihar Board in 2010. If I would tell about my hobbies, I love to watch cricket and watch Hollywood science fiction movies like that. And I basically watch the movies over Netflix, movies and series over Netflix and Hotstar. So that
Okay,
is the basic thing about me. And I basically belong to Baka, Bihar, India, which is located in north side of India. And the famous place is Mandar Hill at nearby my place, nearby my town.
mm,
That's it.
okay, okay. As you mentioned that you have experience of 3.5 years in
Yeah, right.
IT industry. Which kind of work you
Yeah,
are
right.
currently doing? What is your work? Basically, what do you do?
Yeah, actually, my responsibilities are on daily basis. My routines are my manager and my TL give me tasks like what I have to do, how many systems we have to install in a new place. I mean, new building or new floor. How many new users are coming? So we have to create new IDs for them, new Active Directory IDs, so user can access the Provana domain, and user is able to log in any system in within Provana premises. So we are creating the ID, we are giving the access, we are creating their VMware, we are giving access over Citrix applications, we are creating server IDs so user can log in over server, and then we are sending emails to client. So client also create the user ID so user can access the client server. So user will be able to work on client all the client related cases. So that
Is
is the
it
basic things and daily task. And after that, there was another task like we have to maintain server, we have to maintain our switches, we have to install and configure Windows or in operating systems for new users. When we have to assign laptops and systems, headphones to new users, and we have to fill the form, and we have to keep the record of all the asset where we have distributed, where we have given, and how many assets we have given. So we have to keep the record through form.
as you said? mm, So I want to ask you, what is the role of subscription in your work area? Do you give
Yeah,
your
actually,
user
yeah, we have to manage subscription like in our company we have taken three subscription from three different ISPs. ISP means internet service provider. So we have to maintain internet facility in our building. So we are maintaining subscription like post. Basically, all the subscription are postpaid and few are prepaid. Like Tata and Jio are postpaid, and we have taken one like Voda is running postpaid, so we paid whenever use the bill or whenever not use, they will not send the bill. And the postpaid connection is we have to always pay fixed amount for that, whether we will use or not, because of company policy or the company uses that much internet on daily basis. So we have to maintain also that subscription, like
have
paying
you
monthly or paying annually or quarterly.
personally do you use any subscription based apps for your entertaining
Yes,
purpose, for your working purpose?
yes. I used to take subscription of like sometimes I used to take subscription of Netflix, Hotstar, and sometimes like True Caller applications, any other application like Z5, etc. Sometimes also I can take the subscription of YouTube Premium and any other music subscriptions like that.
What is the procedure of what is the procedure to take this subscription? Start
So I
end to
basically
end.
follow like uh, I basically follow like whenever I used to follow the how many series new series releases on that days. I mean within period of 1 month or 2 months, and I have to make note that of and after that I wait for my favorite series. Like there are many favorite series on Netflix and Hotstar. Like the one of series I would like to tell, The Witcher. The Witcher is my favorite series, and The 100 is my favorite series. And so I have to wait for that. Once the another season will come out, then I will take the subscription accordingly. So first of all, I used to open the Netflix application, and I had to enter my credential like debit card details or credit card details, or sometimes I can take by using Phone Pay or Google Pay or any other UPI method. So I will log in my account, and then I will take the subscription. Then I have to pay the bill end of the every month.
As you know that the subscription-based app companies have a policy regarding payment that is recurring payment.
You're right.
Recurring,
Automatically will deduct. Mm.
yeah, yeah. It is very harsh to know or to understand that when you don't use any particular app for 3 months or 4 months, but after some time you are looking into your mobile that money has deducted as you receive a message from the
You're right.
your
You're right.
company. So what do you feel at the time? Because you don't have used that app so much time, but you have the money. Your money has
Yeah,
deducted.
you are absolutely. Yeah, you are absolutely right. Last month, I also faced same issue. I had completed all my favorite series, and I thought I will cancel the membership subscriptions, but I forgot. End of the day, I forgot to cancel the subscription, and my money deducted for another month. So I had to watch for another month without any reason. I mean, without any interest in that. So I have to, however, I have to manage for one another month because of that, because I forgot to cancel and money was deducted from my account because of auto deduction and auto deduction system. So that's very harsh, and sometimes we feel bad for that. So there should be another way for that, so we can save our money.
Currently, how many apps, subscription apps you are using, and how do you manage it?
So currently, I already told you that like I basically used to watch on Netflix and Hotstar. So I took only two subscription in the gap between of 1 or 2 months, and I used to watch. I am watching currently, but without subscriptions, I can watch only free series or free movies. So I have to take the subscriptions after gap of 1 month or 2 months to watch premium series, premium movies. So I'm managing, like
Uh,
I already told you, I'm managing by going on different platforms. So if I will take the subscription of Netflix, then I will have to go to Netflix application. If I want to take the subscription of Hotstar, I have to go to Hotstar application. So by going on different platform, I have to take the subscription for that.
do you have ever understand or try to find an app that can reduce your problem, like how to manage your all subscription, money deduction, reminders? There is an app
Yeah,
which can reminder you before you're completing or renewing the next for next month. You have you ever feel that there should be an app which can manage anything regarding my apps, subscription apps?
yeah, there was a similar application like something Prime, or I used to get emails for that because that was free for me for 1 year, And from that application, I was managing Netflix and Hotstar because my company was given that coupon code for that. But that was, I think, very costly. So we have to pay all the bills at what platform, and we can manage all the applications from there, from that application. And the application is first name is Prime. Don't remember the complete. So if you are suggesting or if you are creating or if you are developing any similar application in low cost, that would be very, I mean, impactful.
As a user, what do you want in an app that can reduce your problem and feels you happy and make your experience better? What what would you suggest?
So the suggestion is from my side. There should be a platform or application so we can manage all the subscription from at a one place, and we can cancel or we can. I mean, we can take the subscription of accordingly for which application which we want to watch the movie or series. We can manage from one platform, and we can cancel or we can subscribe accordingly between the gap of 1 month or whenever we are not using the application. We are not using. We were not. I mean, we are not. If we are not watching any movies, any series, so we can cancel them or we do not have to pay for that. So
Yes, sir.
that would be very. I mean, money saving or cost saving for us
Hey,
as a user.
as a professional, have you ever used software as a service tools like
Uh,
ChatGPT, Midjourney, and there
no,
are
actually,
many.
there are many application services, but I haven't used as any yet. So if you will suggest, then I can use or I will try to use in future.
Would you be interested in in an app that can manage your all the all the problems regarding your subscription? Just as you said earlier, that I have no idea, and at morning when I was wake up, I look into my mobile that there is a message that your money has deducted without unused app.
Yeah, right, right. So I would prefer that application. So I would definitely go for that. If any application will launch for to manage all the application subscriptions, so I will definitely go for that for sure.
And one thing I want to ask you that if an app allows you or make a combo pack of all OTTs and all AI tools and different kinds of apps, would you like to buy it from there?
Yeah, of course, I will buy from there, but that should be on interest, on the end user interest. If I don't have any interest in ChatGPT, then why I should take that
No,
subscription?
no,
So there should, no, no, I'm saying there should be a filter. So for which application you want to take subscription, you can choose, or for which you don't want to use, you can deselect that.
I want to say that I will make a combo of OTTs, all OTTs, such as
Yeah, right.
which is in trending in India and other
Yeah,
places,
right.
such as
Yeah, right.
Netflix, Hotstar,
Mm.
Prime Video.
Give,
These kinds of
yeah,
apps,
right.
if you get in a combo pack, will you take its
Yeah,
subscription from that particular app?
yeah, of course, I will try to take from there because it will be money saving, cost saving, time saving, everything. Because we will be managed to application from there.
And one thing which is I want to know that if you have, as you said, you have a multiple subscription, you have, so you put your credential details in every particular single app,
Yeah, right.
okay? So it's a problem for you and everyone who user does not want to share his credential at every
Yeah,
place at every place. So
yeah, right.
in this app, what can we do? for solve this kind of problem to save your secrecy.
So that would be suggestion like we have to just enter one credential or through UPI ID. You should create mode. Which is in trending. Like basically, now user are addicted to pay through UPI, pay through phone pay, Google Pay. So there should be that option available, so user can pay using like UPI ID. And if user is entering their UPI IDs, there should be no problem because that is not concern related security if user is paying through UPI ID. But
And
in case
when
user is sharing credential details like debit card number, credit card number, and PIN, that is a security related issue, and user can face any issue in future if
yeah,
application security is not, that much good. So any hacker can hack that application or steal the data from there.
yes, it's a concern for basically it's a concern for user that
Yeah, right.
he he always think about their credential data as you look into the recent news. Aadhaar data has leaked.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
It,
it can happen anytime with any user. Any bank data can be online leaked, or any hacker
yeah,
can steal the data from there. If or any you can any if if a hacker want, he can hack the Amazon application, Flipkart application, and user all the credential will be hacked, like the debit card and credit card details from there.
your subscription management app also can be hacked from that credential data.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah,
it's
right.
a concern. So what
So
would you suggest? As you are saying that you would suggest that there is
so
a
the
UPI
if we,
UPI option. UPI option is
yeah,
better. But if I take there a wallet where you can
yeah,
adjust,
put the amount and
uh,
credit the amount.
keep your money, and when you need you can deduct from that. You don't have you need to fill all the credential for every single particular app. That it would
Yeah,
be a
right.
better experience for the user. And what do you think about it? It can be work or not?
Yeah, that would be very interesting. If user can credit few amounts in their wallet, subscription wallet, and he can pay accordingly for the subscriptions which he is taking. So that would be very helpful, and there would be no risk in future for stealing the data or hacking the data, etc.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. As you said, uh, you do you use any subscription management app currently?
No, I'm not using because as I told you, I had some knowledge about the Prime application, which were offering same kind of facilities, so you can manage all the subscription from there. But not like that. There will be different things. If you are going to take, you have to pay for different application from that application, and then you will be able to manage. As you are suggesting, you can pay from one application and we can you can manage from there only. That was not available on Prime,
Okay.
and wallet facility I think also was not there. So for more information, you can go for that. You can search on Google, then you will get the information about that application. Any competitor application is available or not, then you will get the information from there.
Yeah, as you said earlier that recurring process, yeah, recurring payment is a headache for users because
Yeah, right.
it is a concern. First time it should be asked, do you want to renew it or not? Then user can decide
Yeah,
I
right.
want or I don't. If I am using, I will.
Yeah, right.
If I don't, I won't. This is the
Yeah,
problem.
there should be a notification.
Yeah,
There
what
should
can
be a
be
notification.
the solution for this particular problem the user is facing regarding their payment? Because it is more like a user wasting their money without their interest.
Yeah, right. So user should get a or receive a notification, and there should be acknowledgement, right? If user is acknowledging, yeah, I will continue for another month, then it should be deducted from the account. If user is saying that I will continue for another month, I will continue for another month, so that payment should be automatically cancelled, and that notification should not. Uh, but I mean, the notification should not be getting by one time only. There should be a multiple notification, multiple alerts, right? 3 4 times, so user can check the notification, actual notification. Because in this days there are many applications, there are so many notifications are coming, and user are ignoring directly. User are clearing the all the notification at a one time. So user are not
Yeah.
getting. User is not able to read that notification because of
Eh,
that.
uh, in place of notification, we will give reminder. We are suggesting
Yeah,
reminder.
right.
Reminder is basically you can customize it. If your pack is over on 30 November, then you can
Yeah,
set your reminder before your renewal date, and that reminder will
yeah,
be
right.
there like alarm, where you will have to sneeze
Yeah,
or push back, and you will have to go to that
remind later.
particular app to watch this. When you if you don't watch that reminder, you will get that reminder after 1 hour and 2 hour, and the same frequency we will set. Some IT professional
Yeah,
have
that would.
no some IT professional have no time to manage their app. Uh, they can set
Yeah,
a
right.
particular timing when he was free. If you look into the daily routine of any person, he has free 10 to 12 at night. When he currently use they
Yeah,
currently use mobiles, so they can use timing as well. A reminder with timing,
yeah, right.
where
Yeah,
user
there should be a reminder from application.
uh,
uh, And with reminder, there should be a ringtone or any other sound should be buzzing, so that user can able to receive that notification properly. If there will be a reminder with sound.
it can be specified by their own sound, which the
Yeah,
the
right.
app you are using, such as Netflix, have different tone when we start building.
Yeah,
So
right.
different app has different sound, so you can use this kind of sound to easily optimize, easily recognize the sound and which app you are talking or reminding about.
Yeah, right. That would be, I mean, very interesting if you will add that features in your application.
Yeah. What challenges do you face when you managing multiple subscription based app? Um, how important is it?
Basically, we use Google Calendar or basically we use Google Calendar or mobile application calendar to manage the subscription. We are selecting reminder or anything according to that.
If I say there is no application, or there is application but that is not popular for to among the user, that can help him to manage their subscription, daily subscription and single payment.
Yeah, right.
They are doing it manually
And
through
user don't have
a
idea about that.
uh, yes, user are
Yeah,
concerning
right.
about it, but he is unable to find, or he is unable to know that how to get, or how to is there any app or not. He is not familiar with this kind of things. If I
Yeah, right.
what will be your uh, concern? What will be your suggestion to us? What should we do? What should do to make it easier and familiar with the user?
He has already given the suggestion, few suggestions. And at last, I would like to suggest, like as you told, like there should be a notification or reminder option, and there should be a calendar so user can manage the subscription according and set the advanced alarm option so user will get alarm or notification or reminder at that day only. So because in nowadays we have to manage the calendar like another calendar. We have to use mobile calendar or Google calendar to remind itself what is the today days or in next date what we are going to do and what are the plans we are having. So we have to add in Google Calendar so we get the notification from there. But if it is available on application itself, that would be very good. So user can set the notification prior to the I mean renewal date. So user will be
Yeah.
able to cancel or subscribe it later
Uh, with their
if user want to
concern,
subscribe.
if he needs or
Yeah,
not.
right, with their concern.
Yes.
Mm. Accordingly, he will be able to cancel or subscribe it later. So that would be very good. You can implement that features in application.
Yeah, yeah. How do you how do you unsubscribe? You have told about subscription. If I have to unsubscribe my
Yeah, right.
subscription, so how can I perform? I
Then
don't have any subscription management app, and I have 10 apps or more than 10. It is very it is not easy
then we
to
have to then we have to, yeah, then we have to go on the all the application one by one, and we have to go to setting and we have to go to my payment or account option. Then we have to cancel. There is a multiple procedure for that for different applications. Then we have to give the concern like why we are canceling. So we have to select a particular reason for that. Then we have to press on
yeah.
cancel button and subscription will cancel for one application. Accordingly, we have to do for all the application. Then
It, it,
subscription
is-
will
it
be
is
cancelled for all the application.
it is quite lengthy for the user
Yeah, yeah, it is.
by
Yeah, it is
single app.
quite lengthy and very time taking process. So you can forget in your busy life. You will not remember that when we have to cancel for application, when we have to take in for Netflix, we don't remember when we have taken the subscription for Hotstar. That can be in different days, not in one day. So we can forget like when we have taken the different application subscriptions. So if we'll get notification at a one platform, that would be better. Like we have taken this subscription on that day, we can cancel in that day. We have taken this subscription in that day. If we'll display on one platform, then we will be able to easily cancel or subscribe or resubscribe.
As I said about combo pack, if I suggest or if I will sell through my app a combo pack of all types of subscription in a single combo pack.
Yeah.
There can be entertainment, sports, and other things. Would you like to buy from our app?
Yeah, of course. If I feel interesting that application, I will first check the application. Then I will go for that. Whether I have to go for whether I have to take the subscription from that application or not. And I will also check the cost efficiency. Whether it is whether it is costless or we have to pay more amount than single subscription. If we are taking from different applications, we have to pay less amount or we are paying from one platform higher amount. So we have to think about that. Once the application will release, we will go for that and we will check whether it is cost saving or not. So if it is cost saving or time management, time also is managing our time and reducing our effort. So we'll definitely go for that. And for now, if it is coming on one platform, and if it is taking, if the company is charging some fee like 50 rupees, 100 rupees more than that subscription, then definitely people will go and I will also go because of cost saving. Because if
Yeah,
I will forget some application, that amount will be deducted like 300 and 500. If I have a subscription of 3 months quarterly, then it will more amount will be deducted. But if we are paying 20, 50 rupees, 100 rupees extra for that platform, that will be better because we will be able to save all the money. Like
Right.
if I have taken a subscription of a Hotstar, so money will be deducted more than that. So we can save the money from managing the application from one platform.
I-
And I
In
will
the,
now my answer is I will definitely go for that.
yeah, in this combo pack, I want your insights about the pack. One pack should be
Yeah.
less than 720, or second one is more than 720.
Okay.
There's two types of if because the user who is in the village area, they have only 1.5 GB data at a single day.
Okay.
They they is unable to
Yeah. Right.
use with high quality. If he will he wants to watch the series and any or anything on high quality, they can't survive more times because data will be not remaining. So there can be two types of combo
Yeah.
packs.
Data will.
One is less than 720 and one is more over the 720. So what it would
Okay.
it be work or not? Because in the metro city, everyone Wi-Fi is everyone using Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
They
Right.
don't have
Everyone is having
uh,
Wi-Fi.
they don't have concern about their data, so they can take about 720. But who has constraint about their data? They have only 1.5 GB. They can take this kind of seven less than 720.
Minimum. Yeah. Right. Minimum subscription package. They will take definitely. They will go for definitely minimum subscription package because if he takes maximum subscription package, he will not be able to use or utilize that
Yeah,
because
yeah,
of if he will take then he has to recharge. I mean, add-on data for that to watch any extra series or movies. So
yeah,
definitely he will go for 720 less
yeah.
than 720 or 720.
Okay, Mr. Atul. The last question,
Yes.
what would you suggest us to make this app's experience better for the user like you who is in IT sector or who is a working professional but who is not using any kind of AI tools or any B2B service app, business to business. You are currently
Uh,
using you are
I
you are currently
your
into
audio
hello
your your audio is breaking for few seconds.
now
Now it
okay.
is clear. Yeah, right.
As you said, you are only using OTT platforms. You are not taking any
Yeah,
service
right.
to increase your productivity. Would
Yeah,
you
right.
like to suggest if I put productivity apps in our combo pack, will it be usable for the user or not?
Yeah, of course, it will be valuable for user, and you can also add like subscription and another subscription package for student. Like if a student is preparing for any IT courses, like he want to do CCNA, CCNP, Microsoft certifications, and any other certifications, so you have to add another kind of subscription package for a student, so he can take. Or if some students are preparing for government exams, you can add also another kind of subscription like SSC, railways exam subscription, and like there should be videos or live coaching classes for that applications
Yeah,
or for that
yeah,
subscription. So user can manage all these subscriptions from one platform. If and there should be definitely cost saving because that subscription will be taken by student, and student always prefer if it is cost saving or not because of money issue and money problem. And basically it will take a time by middle class family, middle class students, so who don't have much amount to pay extra money or take a higher subscription. So user will definitely, students will definitely go for that if you will make available any platform like that and any subscription like that. So definitely user will go for that.
Yeah, basically, you want to say that we need to introduce a student concern combo pack for their
Mhm.
particular field, such as Google certification, and there are many and
Yeah, right.
every type of
Yeah, there is a
certification
many.
you can do from online subscription in this time after COVID.
Yeah,
It
right.
is very normal in these days. Okay, your concern
Yeah,
is
right.
noted.
Yeah, you can definitely add because I also suffered a lot because I was searching for a subscription so where I can do my network related courses like CCNA, CCNP, and but I was not able to find a good platform so where we can go and where we can pay the amount and I will get benefit for that. I didn't have idea about that, so I searched a lot. Then I found a one application. That was networking application, and so if you will make available all the applications like that at one platform, user will be easily able to find and able to take the subscription for that. That would be my last
And
suggestion.
as you said, you want to learn particular subject or particular thing. Have you ever
Yeah, right.
tried to find these thing on YouTube, or have you got this or not?
No, because at YouTube, I found so many videos, but there is a problem. There is a restriction. YouTuber and teachers are uploading just basic videos, basic, not advanced videos. They are not uploading lab practice and more than that because they are just uploading basic theories, basic. They are going with basics only.
Yes.
They are not giving industry training on YouTube. They are not giving any industry training. How you have to, there should be a particular industry training. It means when you will join any company, how you will work there. What would be machines? What would be company machines they will use? Then how you will configure that machine? How you will manage that machine? There is a nothing like that on YouTube because they are they are. I mean that is premium content, so they are providing on their own applications or you have to go for that you have to go for offline classes then you will get that content like that that is not available on YouTube. So I was searching for that content, industry content.
It means that you want to say that YouTube has lots of content, but there is too much cluttered or no deep dive knowledge in that
Yeah,
particular
right.
videos.
So
And
and
you,
yeah,
if
and we don't have much time to search the every and watch the every video which is good for me and which is valuable for me. If I start watching for one video, took 10 to 15 minutes to understand whether it is false video or they are just doing time pass. They are not sharing information what we want like that.
oh,
Light has gone now. I have to open the door.
okay,
Yeah.
why did you clear your head?
So that is my suggestion. If you will add that, yeah, of course. I had shaved my head and now I'm waiting for to grow my hair.
Okay. Oh, I want to take your last suggestion to this app
Okay.
and final suggestion.
Uh, I already shared my all the suggestion and the suggestion would be like once you will launch the applications like that or you have to advertise to interested users by using social media platform. Then user will be able to find that application because in these days you don't have idea about Times Prime. Like I was sharing the full name is Times Prime, and so many of user didn't have idea about that and don't have idea about now like any applications exist or not. Times Prime because they are using by only rich people Times Prime applications. So middle class family or any other student don't have idea about that there is an application exist. so
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
can manage all the applications.
You want
So
to
you
say
can
that
advertise your application.
you want to say that user
So many user will get idea about it.
not many users are not thinking about it that it has a problem. He
You're right.
don't concern it as a problem, but we need to say that it's a problem. He's facing many problems such like time management and money
Mhm.
draining through wrong hole.
Yeah, you have to
So
make them understand why he has to take that subscription. We has why he has to manage all the applications from one platform. So you have to give all the reasons and share the reasons accordingly on social media platforms. Then definitely user will attract on this and go for that and will able to
uh,
try to take the subscription.
as I learned earlier from some person, and he said that there is two kinds of market. One is
Okay,
bazar, second is bazarwar.
okay,
Bazar is
okay.
where you buy your needed things when what you
Yeah,
need
right.
at daily basis. But bazarwar is first they make product, then you will have to face or you have to think about that thing. It's a problem, you need it, such as RO. RO was not a
Yeah,
concernable thing in India, but now it is everywhere you can watch it. So you want
yeah,
to
right.
say that take your branding should be better more than your product or equal than your product, because when branding will not be at large cost,
At
you
large
can,
scale. Uh, yeah, right.
you can't make your place in the market.
Yeah, people will not show the interest if they will not be
Yeah,
able to understand why he has to take the subscription. So you have to make them understand why he is going to take the subscription and what is the benefit for that. So
yeah.
that would be the
Okay, thank you.
thank
Let's
you so
wrap
much.
up.
It was great. It was great to have conversation with you. And
Me too.
definitely, I would like to say your knowledge has been pushed from earlier days, and you are going very good. Best of luck for your future.
And
Thank you so much.
one thing which is I want to say, and when you go to your office, I
Okay.
would request to you that you have to ask your colleagues, is he facing these kinds of problem or not? If you can, or if you can, you record it in an audio version. If you can,
Yeah, of course, I will try to do that. I will definitely take the reviews from my colleague and I will record a video or audio session and I will share with you.
okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank, thank you. You too.